Hello everyone, I am Nita Bhajendra, a student from Design Training Consistency of the School. Today I will share video on technical topic is the integumentary system. This system is the main system in our body. These are the largest system in the body, in which the presents are the skin, hairs, oil gland, and etc. Etc. They are the this system is the related to the skin and in which the large organ in the skin. Functions of the integumentary system. These are the evaluate the these are the outermost layer of the skin, outermost layer of the body from the damage. These are the produce dehydration, in which store fat, produce vitamins and hormones, which are helps to maintain the homeostasis, within the body by assisting with the regulations of the body. In which these systems are helps to maintain the temperature and body water balance. This system is based on first line defense against bacteria, viruses, or other pathogens. It helps to produce protections from the harmful ultraviolet radiation. This system is the main part of the skin. These are the largest organ in our body. The skins are divided into made up from three layers. Three layers is the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer. These are made from the stratified squamous epithelium. And this layer is the waterproof balance and is responsible for the skin tones and melanin, sleeves, hairs, and skin in colors. These are the avascular absence of the blood vessel and made up to 4 to 5 layer of the epithelial cell and depending on the location in the body. These are the layer of the epidermis. Next to the innermost layer is the dermis. These are the second layer of the skin. These are the made from the fibrous connective tissues, provide the strength and elasticity of the body, which are present the blood vessels, fluids, and which are connect the nerves and sensory organs, which are contains blood, lymph vessel, and regulate the body temperature among their things, which contains the structures such as hair follicles and sweat gland. These are the component of the dermis layer, and innermost layer of the skin is the epidermis. These are in which present the adipose tissues and connective tissues. These are the store the fat because which present the adipose tissues, which are attached to the skins and other structure below to the muscles and bones, and which are act as a insulator, and preventing your body from the getting warm to cold. And these are the main functions of the epidermis layers these are the shock absorbers. These are the layer of the skin layers. Next to the dermatomes. These are the meet the sensation in dermatology. And these are points the meet the cells and others blood vessels etc. and passes the and these are the centers in which the passes the impulse from brain and brain and spinal cord, etc. Mm, the thinnest layer in our body is the eyelids, and thickest layer in our body is the cheek. Next to the ultraviolet depends. Ultraviolet depends in which the sun rays, including a spectrum of color wavelength, including infrared or IR rays. Infrared or IR rays. These are the warming component, and ultraviolet UV rays. The UV rays are the both two types of rays, UVA rays and UVB rays. Both in which the both UVA and UVB wavelength are invisible to human eyes, but exposure to the latter in particular is linked to form the skin cancer. Skin self-defense in its dark coloring substance, a pigment of melanin. This forms a screen in the upper epidermis that shields the actively multiplying the cell in the basis of their epidermis. Next to the melanin production. Melanin is the main component in our body. Melanin production in which determined to the body's skin color is the rare or white. Melanin production in which the high amount, then the body color is the rare, and melanin production in which the low amount in the body, then the body skin color is the white. Melanin is determined to the color is white or rare. High amount melanin produced in the body, there are some diseases in the body. There are the many important part in our body. Melanocytes are melanin producing cell in the basis of the epidermis, and they make partial of melanin granules. Is the melanosomes, which pass into the surrounding cells. These are the main component in our body. And next to the how a skin injury gets repairs by the body, in which there are the 4 steps. There are the four step is the injury, clotting, plugging, and scabbing. First to the injury. In the injury in which the wound break open cells and release their content, and this component attract various defense and repair cell. And next to the clotting, the wound is break, then the bloods and other particles are the defense, and the blood slips from the vessels and forms a clot. And then in which the fibroblast is multiply and migrate to the damaged area as a white cell called neutrophils, which ingest cell debris and foreign matter such as dirt and germs. And next to the plugging in which the fibroblast is produce plugs of fibers tissues, and that the clots, and which contracts and shrinks new tissues, beginning to form veins. The clot gradually hardens and expels fluids to become a scab as the tissues of help vein. And last to the scabbing in which the plug is hardest hardness and dries into a scab, which eventually detach. A scab may remain but usually breaks with times. These are the four steps of the how skin is damaged, and then are the repairs. And next to the diseases of the integumentary system. Integumentary system is the skin related and which are produce many diseases like eczema, arthritis, um, cancers, acne. These are the diseases of the integumentary systems. And diagnosis of this is the blood test, surgery, X-ray, ointment, cream, etc. These are the all information about the integumentary system. These are the main system in our body. And thank you.